Welcome to Channel Name, where we dive into the most exciting innovations shaping tomorrow. Today we're exploring the year 2041, a time when technology has reached astonishing new heights. Just a few decades ago, the World Wide Web was in its infancy, smartphones were still science fiction, and the idea of self-driving cars seemed laughable. Now these technologies are commonplace, woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From advanced AI companions to revolutionary space travel, let's journey into the incredible world of future tech 2041. When I think about the future, one of the most fascinating aspects is the potential of artificial intelligence. In 2041, AI companions are no longer just digital assistants fetching information or playing your favorite tunes. They're hyper-intelligent, emotionally aware entities capable of forming actual meaningful connections. Imagine having an AI companion who knows you better than you know yourself. They can anticipate your needs, offer insightful advice, and even challenge you to grow intellectually and emotionally. This isn't science fiction. It's the power of advanced algorithms, deep learning, and a nuanced understanding of human psychology. These AI are transforming lives, making us more productive, more creative, and even more human. Let's talk about space travel, a subject near and dear to my heart. In 2041, that dream becomes a reality thanks to a revolutionary technology: quantum fusion engines. Forget about those clunky chemical rockets of the past. We're talking about harnessing the immense power of fusion, the very process that fuels the stars. These engines enable faster-than-ever interstellar travel, making those distant planets and moons accessible within weeks instead of years. We could be mining asteroids for precious resources, establishing permanent bases on Mars, or even sending manned missions to the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, all within a human lifetime. The future of space exploration is bright, and it's powered by quantum fusion. Let's shift gears and talk about something closer to home, our own planet Earth. In 2041, we're not just mitigating the effects of climate change. We're taking control of our planet's destiny. This is the result of decades of research and development in advanced geoengineering and artificial intelligence. We're talking about sophisticated systems that can manipulate weather patterns, reduce carbon emissions, and restore damaged ecosystems. Imagine a world with clean air, stable weather patterns, and thriving ecosystems. That's the promise of climate control technology in 2041. Chapter 4. Hyper-personalized education. For centuries, the education system has been based on a one-size-fits-all model. But what if we could tailor education to each individual's unique learning style, pace, and interests? Well, in 2041, that's exactly what's happening. Say goodbye to those stuffy classrooms and boring lectures. Hyper-personalized education is here, and it's revolutionizing the way we learn. Imagine AI-powered virtual classrooms that adapt in real time to your every question, every struggle, every aha moment. By 2041, learning becomes an immersive, interactive, and enjoyable experience, accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world. It's about unlocking the full potential of every mind, empowering individuals to become lifelong learners, and creating a more knowledgeable and enlightened society. Let's talk about something we all love to hate: social media. In 2041, social media gets a serious upgrade, ditching those flat, two-dimensional screens for the immersive world of holograms and virtual reality. Imagine attending a concert in London, celebrating a friend's birthday in Tokyo, or exploring the pyramids of Egypt, all from the comfort of your living room. Holographic social networking breaks down geographical barriers, fosters deeper connections, and allows us to experience the world through each other's eyes. This next topic might seem like something straight out of science fiction, but trust me, it's well within the realm of possibility. We're talking about synthetic organs, but not just any synthetic organs. These are 2.0 versions, capable of not only replacing failing organs, but potentially extending human lifespan indefinitely. Imagine a world without organ shortages, where people can live healthy, active lives well into their hundreds. The advancements in bioengineering and regenerative medicine are pushing the boundaries of what it means to be human. What does it mean to live for centuries? How will society adapt to a potentially ageless population? These are questions for the philosophers and ethicists, but there's no denying the profound impact this technology will have on humanity. For our final stop on this journey to the future, let's take a look at the grandest collaboration in human history. Earth and Mars working together as partners on a shared interplanetary stage. With Mars colonization well underway, 2041 sees Earth and Mars collaborating on everything from scientific research and resource management to cultural exchange and space tourism. We're talking about a true multi-planetary civilization, with humans living and working both on Earth and on Mars. Imagine a future where Earth and Mars share resources, technology, and ideas, propelling humanity towards a brighter future. The future is out there, waiting for us to reach out and grab it. From AI companions to quantum fusion engines, the technologies of 2041 are redefining what it means to be human and expanding our horizons beyond imagination. But here's the thing about the future. It's not predetermined. It's shaped by the choices we make today. So let's choose to embrace innovation, push the boundaries of what's possible, and create a future that benefits all humankind. Thanks for watching, and see you in 2042.